up, guys? It's 5:13 in the morning and about 15 minutes away from my first location that I'm trying, and I'm basically just going to come in there and kind of stop and listen, throw in a hoot out call, a locator call, and see if I can startle anything that's still in the roost. If I can, I'm going to try to sneak as close as I can to it. So I really probably won't have any video of that because I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to try to get in there real close and set up. And the reason I'm doing that is I'm going to kind of get danger close. And the reason for that is because I noticed on the youth hunt that once they got off that roost, they were just dead quiet. And so I'd like to be as close as I possibly can. That way I at least know their location, like their exact pinpoint location. And, you know, if I can't call them in, then at least I can maybe put a stalk on them and try to intersect them. So that's the goal. And that's what I'm afraid of, is that they're going to respond to the locator call and they may gobble from the roost, but once they hit the ground, they'll be quiet birds, and I really got nothing to lure them in if they don't want to respond to my calling. But we'll see. The goal is to at least locate some birds out here, so pretty excited though. This is opening day, so stay tuned, and hopefully I can have a successful season this year. Last year was a dud, so we'll see what happens. Oh, man. Oh, came right in. Hey, what's up, folks? Super stoked. Just shot a very nice gobbler. Started out at another land, and I shot called with a hoot owl call, just with my hands, and I just didn't hear anything, and I wasn't feeling right about the place. I had plenty of time before I got a light, so I headed over to another spot. This is about 15 minutes away, and came in there and hit the shot collar again. This time I actually used, so let me get it out here. I actually used this HS strut, this deal here, the hooter, I'll call, to try to shock them. Didn't hear anything, so I kind of walked in real quiet towards the river, and then I started to hear my first gobble, and it was relatively close, and there was a whole bunch coming from down the river, and I know sound carries downriver pretty well, so I don't know how far away they were, but so this guy was real close. All right, so yeah, you notice the shotgun's not very long. That's a 20 gauge Remington Youth model, 870 Express, and you know what? I've used that since I was a kid. It was a gift for Christmas, and man, it works awesome. And you can just move. It's really light. You can pack it around. I still use it. I mean, I absolutely love it. You know, it's not a great gun for duck hunting and things like that, goose hunting, but man, it just works really well for how I turkey hunt. So let's check out this bird. Okay, so pretty great spurs. Can't hate that. The size of that beard. So this is a really good bird. I'm really happy with it. He's a heavy sucker. Pretty old. And I mean, man, that was an exciting hunt. Jeez, it doesn't get any better than that. That was just picture perfect, textbook. I mean, I haven't had one of those hunts in such a long time. I'm super stoked. So I got another. I can get another. He's beating the ground, drumming. His face was beat red. He's responding to the calls just right away, coming in fast, excited. It was just awesome hunt.